Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret hack in your autoresponder that will allow you to get huge open rates. And when you get a very good open rate, you're going to get very good click-through rates as well, and you will able to boost your traffic through your email subscribers using this secret hack that I'm about to teach you in my video. Okay, now before I dive into this video, I want to make a couple of announcements, and I want you to do me a couple of favors. Number one is, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So when you click on this subscribe button, should be just below this video, click on this subscribe button and this will pop up this notification bell. Just click on the notification bell and select the boxes so you get my future videos update into your inbox. My video and my channel is all about make money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and different types of traffic techniques and live campaign overview, where I teach people how to make multiple 5 and 6 figures from home. If you have any questions, just leave a comment for me, and if you don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. So let's just dive into this video. Oh yeah, one more thing, that I just launched my Clickbank course. So if you're interested in buying my Clickbank course, there's going to be a link in the description box below this video. Right now they have a flash sale going on, ends in 6 hours 22 minutes 12 seconds. I don't know when you're going to see this, but right now when I'm recording this video, they still have 6 hours and 22 minutes left. So you might want to check my course out if you're interested. It's all about Clickbank, on how to promote Clickbank offers. I teach different type of traffic techniques, and also I teach direct linking as well. All right, so the link is going to be in the description box below this video. So let's just dive into this video. All right, so you probably know that you need to build a list. I've been talking about this, building a list. This is very, very important because the money is in the list. So to build that list, you will need a landing page, a squeeze page where you could capture other people's email addresses, and then from that email address you send out emails to these subscribers. Okay, so right now in front of you I have open up my autoresponder account, which is Aweber, which comes with a free 30-day trial, and then after that there's a monthly payment. Okay, so I have opened up my email here, and I've wrote an email. In fact, I copy and pasted an email just down here, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how to boost your open rate and click-through rate in this video. All right, so this is an email I just wrote: Google Ads and Facebook ads shut down, and then there's a big description email. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into my email and write a quick disclaimer as well. Always you want to have a disclaimer in your email. You're just telling people that what it requires to make money. All right, it's not something like that's just gonna, money's just gonna jump into your pocket. No, it's not going to happen like that. So I just want to put a disclaimer: individual results will vary, no results are guaranteed with the help of our training. So you want to make sure you have all this in place, and once you've got all of this in place, okay, let me just get rid of this. I don't know where this came out from. Okay, so there you go. I've got my email here, I've got my email description here. All right, and let me just correct this, and I'm going to be promoting a Clickbank off in this email. So I'm on Clickbank, and I'm going to promote this high ticket product. It's called the Native Ads Masterclass. It's going to pay about $383.20. the gravity is extremely low, so that means there's no competition for this product. But gravity low does not mean that you can't make any money. So who knows, I might make a lot of money just because there's no competition and no one's promoting it. All right, so I'm going to click on the promote button. A window pops up. I'm going to put email traffic, and I'm going to click generate hop link, and it's just going to give me this long ugly link. I'm going to copy this, come back to my email campaign, and I'm gonna highlight this, just get rid of that, and just put click here to grab this now. Just highlight this. All right, and just wait until it ticks. Okay, make this bigger, stands out. There you go. All right, this is looking great. Click on save and exit. All right, so normal people, what they will do is they will write a quick email and they will just send it out. All right, now here's the secret hack to getting very good open rate. By the way, if you don't know how to set up your autoresponder, Aweber autoresponder, how to get emails, where to get emails from, how to write all these emails, then make sure you check out my channel, because my channel Clickbank Success has covered a lot of videos related to affiliate marketing. This includes Clickbank, this includes affiliate marketing, this includes other networks as well, and I have covered nearly everything from A to Z. So make sure you scroll through my channel, and if whenever you find a video with the title that says Clickbank for beginners, in those videos you will find a complete tutorial on how to set up your autoresponder, Aweber, and get response, and how to write these emails, where to get these emails from, etc, etc. I don't want to cover all of that because I don't want this video to get too long, but make sure you go out there and start scrolling through my channel to find these videos if you don't know how to set up all this. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you're completely new and you're just thinking what's all this is all advanced stuff, then I'm really sorry, but make sure you watch my other videos, Clickbank for beginners, and you will understand step by step where I explain how to create a business from scratch and go from 0 to 5 and 6 figures online. All right, this is someone who knows all about internet marketing. He knows about affiliate marketing, he knows about list building, he knows that you need to write emails and you need to send out emails to your prospects, to your customers, to your subscribers. So these are for those type of marketers that if they are struggling to get very high open rate, I'm just showing them a secret hack to making hundreds of dollars a day from the email, to boosting the traffic and getting those high open rate and click-through rate. All right, so as you can see here, I've got the email down here. Now this email is going to go out. If I click on send option, I have two options: schedule a broadcast, add to follow-up series, and I'm just going to schedule a broadcast. So this email will go out to my entire database. But before I do that, I'm going to do something here. All right, so look at this. I'm going to come here, list options. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on list settings, and then I'm going to scroll down and look at this. It's got my name here, so this is the name that's going to appear in the email. So they're going to see this email came from this person. All right, now it is highly recommended you keep your name. That's the best way to promote products. All right, keep your name, build authority and build your reputation. You want to build yourself. The way you build yourself is with your subscribers. You want to connect and you want to become friends, and you want them to know you, who you are, and why are you sending these emails. So once they get familiar with this name, they're going to open your emails more and more. So how do you do that? You have to connect with them. You have to show them that you're serious to help these people make money online. Whatever product you're promoting, whichever niche, whether it's weight loss or anything, you just have to continuously send them email without spamming them and without deceiving. Don't just promote anything just to make a quick buck. Don't just try to deceive and try to promote any garbage product. You want to really help these people out. Give them the real solution, a real product, a real system, or a free training that helps them out. Once they get familiar with your name, all right, they're going to start opening your emails. The reason the open rate and click-through rate is extremely low is because they're not familiar with your name. So they're thinking, who is this guy? Who is this person? And what they do, they don't open your email. Even if they do, they don't click on the links. Okay, so I highly recommend you stick with your name. But there is a secret hack where you could boost your click-through rate, open rate plus click-through rate doing this. And what is that? So I'm going to send this email out all about the masterclass. All right, so I'm going to put coaching masterclass. All right. So now when they see this email, they're going to see this email like this email is coming from Coaching Masterclass. So it's coming from you with the name of Coaching Masterclass. All right. So this is the secret hack to get high open rate. And I have experimented this, and this is giving me very high open rate and click-through rate. Now remember, when it comes to making sales, it all depends on the product, it all depends on who's reading your emails, whether they have money or not, etc. It depends on the quality of your list, etc. So there's no guarantee of sales or no guarantee of money or etc. But yes, this works for getting a very high open rate and click-through rate. So I'm going to go back. Okay, I'm going to click on drafts, and now I'm just gonna send this email out. Okay, so I could see it's going to go to the entire database. All right, I'm going to click on send message now, and it's going to send now. All right, so that's how simple it is. This is the secret hack that you could get. Even though I don't recommend this, like I said, I highly recommend you stick to your name. You want to build yourself. Give them, show them who you are. You're a real person, you're making real money, and you want to help these people out. And when you build yourself, in the beginning you might not make any money, or you might get very low open rate, click-through rate, but eventually it's going to work out very, very good for you. All right, so I highly recommend you stick to your name. But this is just a side note of a side hack that you could use to start making getting high open rate and click-through rate. Now remember, do not use copyright names. Do not use the product names. Do not use a reputed website name, because that is totally wrong. For instance, you use like YouTube, so it seems like the email is coming from YouTube, but it's not coming from YouTube. It's coming from you. Okay, so that is not allowed. Okay, so you don't want to use any kind of real website name, or a website name that has a lot of reputation out there, or a product name that doesn't allow this. For example, if you're promoting a product and that has a very high reputation, use that product name, so it seems like the email is coming from that product name. You don't want to do that. That's not allowed. Okay, you want to use a name that the person automatically, subconsciously gets the idea that this is something to do with a masterclass or this email. All right, so don't just use anything you want, or any high reputable website names, or any kind of product names, because that is not allowed. You don't want to deceive someone, and you don't want to be a deceivable. All right, stay away from deceiving, stay away from lying. You just want to make it in a way that a person understands that when you're sending an email out, that email has to do something with that brand that you're talking about. So for instance, this email, I'm promoting a Clickbank product that's about masterclass, about a traffic source called native ads. So I've put Coaching Masterclass. All right, Coaching Masterclass. I didn't use a product name, I didn't use any kind of website address, I didn't use kind of website name, or I didn't do anything like that. All right, so this is how you do this. Okay, now if you want to learn complete A to Z affiliate marketing on how to promote other people's products and earn fat commissions, big commissions online, then I highly recommend you click the link in the description box below this video, and there's going to be a button called show more. Click on that show more button, and it's going to open up the whole description box, and there's going to be a program where you could join this program and you could start learning, go through the success challenge. Okay, so you could see this success challenge, already 1001 comments. Okay, you're going to learn how to promote other people's products and earn big commissions online, become an expert and become a hero. All right, as you can see, this same program, one program has already earned me over $98,000. now this is the latest version update. Okay, so basically this program was updated from 2.0 to 3.0, or 3.0 to 4.0, so that's why it's reflecting number like this. Otherwise, I am 100% sure that I have made well over $200,000 in commissions with this one program. All right, so If you really want to master affiliate marketing there, I highly recommend when you click the link in the description box below this video, just go below in the description box and click on show more, and it's going to open up the whole description. You're going to find the link where it's going to say my $100,000 plus commission secret. Click on that link. You will able to join this program, and you will able to go through this success challenge. Okay, and they're still adding more and more videos. It's up to 15 sessions at this current moment when I'm creating this video. You will able to go through this success challenge and learn step by step how affiliate marketing works and how you can promote other people's products. And by the way, if you're still interested in buying my course, which I just launched recently, then at this current moment it's got 6 hours 16 minutes. I don't know, this keeps on updating, they keep on changing it, so you need to keep on checking this, but right now it's got flash sale and it's going to end in 6 hours and 16 minutes. If you want to check it out, it's up to you. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any questions, just leave a comment for me. Make sure you share this video with your followers on other platforms as well, social media platforms. If you have a subscriber list, make sure you send out this video to your subscriber with the share link that you could get below this video. They will love this video and they will get a lot of value from this video. I'm here to help you, and I want to see you make real money online.